So this is going to be your prompt for a quick writing exercise for the first sort of 15 minutes. You are an astronaut who finds something strange on the moon.
Gasping for air I don't need, I wake up and the fear begins to drain away from me, plotting to come back another day.
I think that's just so clever and funny, so well done.
Got me a bit more confident for reading things out, because usually I don't read things out, and it was just nice to kind of try to actually do that.
Workshops. So if I'm talking to a school or a big group where I've not worked with them before, I will do a talk and maybe add in a few little questions and then specify that they can answer in the chat. Because if it's a group where I know them regularly and we may be meeting every month, I can do more workshop stuff. I tend to do a lot of interactive stuff, so one of the benefits I found is that maybe I can't do physical stuff because I'm with them, where we could get them doing cutting and sticking or colouring in alongside writing, but I can use resources online which I wouldn't normally be able to. So I did a lot of screen share stuff where I would use online quizzes, or I would play them music videos. We did an amazing Eurovision themed workshop where we watched loads of terrible music acts from Eurovision and then tried to come up with our own. I got them stuff using the technology that I had.
I've done quite a few workshops online with children, and I found that keeping their attention is quite difficult online, because using the annotation of notes function on Zoom, where everybody can write at the same time or draw, that has also been useful to keep their attention, and also using visual prompts and pictures. And also, if you're working with children, sometimes it's hard for the quieter children to speak, so I often would ask them and say their name to give them space so they can speak, their turn or what they want to say. Otherwise, you find that lots of the louder, more confident children take over a Zoom session. So that's just my little tip.